Good afternoon, everyone. It's James Carpenter with Country Living. I wanted to talk a little bit more about the hose reel on the air compressor. Took a few fittings, but I got it together. So let me show you the setup. Okay, first of all, the hose reel. Brand new in the box. I had someone come to me and say, hey, you want to buy a hose reel? And they wanted like 70 bucks for it. And I got online and pulled up this brand name, and it just happened to pull up one that was $29. And I said, why would I give you 70 bucks? I can buy it brand new for 29. Well, it turns out this is a different model number. This one's actually about $130. So I got one heck of a deal on the hose reel itself. I kept it in storage for quite some time till it was ready for use. As far as the hookups go, all right, so here, this is one connection. This is another connection, and this is a reducer, which I ordered those on Amazon, and they came in, but they were one size too big for both areas. So I started digging through all my junk around here, and I've got a bunch of brass fittings that I picked up for pennies on a dollar years ago, and I found one reducer in there. And then when I ended up getting everything hooked up, you can see where it ties into the compressor. I plugged it in, and that's when I realized that there was no end on the hose. So I went to put an end on the hose, and it was too big. So I went up to my automotive repair shop and started rummaging through some fittings I had up there, and I found another one of these reducers. So it worked out pretty good. This hose, I ordered this hose on Amazon. I should have ordered 36 inches. I ordered 30. So when you swivel, it starts to stretch the hose, but I need it in this position the majority of the time anyhow, so I'm going to be all right. Someday this lead hose will probably fail, and I'll order a 36 incher next time. All right, now I built this structure to attach it and added that swivel. But the structure is some of that scrap lumber that I've been dragging home, and there's a good lengthy piece there. And then what I did down here at the bottom is I custom cut those for those notches so that could set down in there. And then I put one of them 11-inch screws all the way through this board into the pallet. So the compressor sets on a pallet. That's the way I purchased it. I left it on the pallet because it was all bolted down nice, and the pallet's not too badly oversized. And yeah, so I just added this to attach my hose reel. I was looking for a way to put it on the compressor itself, but that would have took some heavy-duty drilling. That's some pretty thick metal up there. All right, now the compressor itself, I bought that gently used. I don't think it was ever used, to be honest with you. A guy had bought it, and he came across some hard times, and I ended up getting it for less than half of what it's actually worth.